Welcome to Anjar Podcast. Today we have a special guest, Simon Sinek, a leadership expert and author. He's famous for his concept of the golden circles and the book of Starts with Why. His popular TED Talk has inspiring and emphasized many people for his leadership. May we welcome Simon Sinek.
Thank you. Hello, Jarvis.
Hello Simon,
Hello,
nice to meet you on interview today.
It's such a pleasure for me to come here.
Welcome to Anjar Podcast.
Thank you.
Today I'm gonna ask you a few questions about leadership, okay? Okay. So the first one, can you tell us about your career journey?
Okay, absolutely. My journey wasn't a straight path. It came with ups and downs. I didn't set out to become a leadership speaker. I started marketing and advertising, working with big brands, but I hit a point where I felt unfulfilled. That led me on a journey to understand why some people and organizations inspire while others simply just exist. That curiosity became an obsession, and eventually I uncovered what we all now know as the golden circle. Since then, my work has been about helping our leaders and teams find their purpose so they can build organizations where people feel inspired, safe, and valued.
So you want to help people with leadership, so people feeling
Inspired,
inspired and
safe, and
fulfilled. Oh, okay. That is the golden spiral.
Yes.
Okay, for the next question, what inspired you to focus on leadership and success?
For me, it all comes down to people. I've always been fascinated by what makes certain leaders really inspiring. I realized that great leaders don't just chase profits or power or number. They create environment where people feel they belong and have a purpose. The best leaders are those who understand that leadership isn't just a rank or a position. It's a responsibility to take care of those who are around us.
I truly agree with you, Simon. It's leadership is not just a rank or a status.
Yes,
It's need to help people and help them grow to become a better person, right?
that's right.
Okay. So, what advice do you have for the young people who finding their purpose right now?
For young people that are watching right now, I have advice for you. The first thing is start by asking why. Purpose isn't something you create out of thin air. It's something you discover by looking at your own experience and the impact you want to have on the world. And most importantly, be patient. Finding your purpose isn't an event. It's a journey. It's a marathon. It takes time. It doesn't just came like instant noodle. It's a long way to the end, to the finish line.
So we all agree that achieving success is a long journey like a marathon.
Yes.
It cannot be instant, like an
Yes.
instant noodle, they
Yes.
say. Yeah. So
It's take a long time to find your finish line.
okay. So the last question is, what are you working now and what's next for you, Simon?
Right now, my focus is on helping organizations build cultures of trust and belonging. The world is changing rapidly, and we need leaders who understand that business aren't just about numbers, position, or rank. They are about people. I'm also continuing to explore the infinite game, helping leaders shift from a mindset of short-term wins into a long-term wins.
Such an inspirational from our guest Simon Sinek. Thank you for coming to our
It's
podcast.
such a pleasure to come here.
It's such a pleasure to giving your mind and inspiring people.
Yes.
Thank you for coming and see you on another Anjar podcast.